Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of the Airing of Grievances. I'm Eric Reamer, that's Robert Grieve, and we are always thankful that you are here. If this is your first time joining us, happy holidays, right? You're probably seeing this after Thanksgiving. You were certainly seeing this after Thanksgiving. However, we just want to say thank you for being here. Click the thumbs up if you will. We appreciate that more than you know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that right now as well. It's free, it's easy. Rob, happy Saturday to you.
Happy Saturday to you, our dear friends.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, we're just going to make this a quick shorty, right?
Yeah. But still with the impact and the feeling that we always have, and that is that this series was designed for you, the driving public, right? Not necessarily for the industry experts, but to give you
we love them too.
We do. To give you an inside behind-the-scenes look at what really happens in the
collision industry
of the collision industry, right?
Yep. The potholes and all the stuff that goes on behind the curtain.
Yeah,
and that's what we're here for.
Yeah.
It's Thanksgiving. A couple days after. It's been a short week for us here.
Sure.
So I wasn't really able to put something together for everybody, so I apologize for that, but I do want to say thank you to our viewers. We really appreciate you. To our guests that come in and do business and support the Nylund's establishment. Especially to our employees that come to work and work their butts off every single week to make cars perfect for our guests. To our industry friends, we are so grateful for all you and your support, and all the people that deliver parts, and especially those delivery drivers that are out on the road getting the stuff for us so that we can get our guests taken care of. And for those shops listening, I'm sure you feel the same way. Say thank you, and for us, we're just grateful. We're blessed, and Eric, I want to thank you very much for the effort that you put into this and for talking me into doing it. And week after week, here we are, and
we are sneaking up on episode number 100. That's happening in just a couple of weeks.
Yep, close.
And I'll tell you, Rob. You kind of gave an overview of the scale of the operation. And yet, it's even bigger than that. I mean, there's so many people who work behind the scenes to not just fix or repair the car, but there's the vendors and it's obviously and perhaps I don't say it often or loud enough. A huge honor for me to work with you. I literally found the yin to my yang when it came to the guest experience and the value of doing the job correctly the first time, every time, because you matter. And so it's an honor for me to be here as well.
With that, we're going to leave you to enjoy your long weekend, and we'll see you next Saturday, and hopefully I'll have something great to share with you.
Do us a favor. Leave a comment in the bottom below. Let us know that you were here. And if you've got some kind of a request, if you'd like to throw up an idea for us to talk about, we're always open and willing to look at those and listen to those. And if you haven't done it yet, click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up button, and share this out with your friends. We'll see you next week.
Happy Thanksgiving all.
Happy Saturday.
To you, and to you, my dear friends. Thanks so much.